Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be 5 easy and creepy Halloween makeup looks. So if you would like to know how I got any of the looks that you saw in the thumbnail, please keep on watching. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe and push that bell notification to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you would like to follow me on any other social medias, I will have that floating somewhere on the screen, and I will also have that link down below in the description box. So without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Oh, well, I'm Pennywise. Well, I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown.
Let's take it from the top. She's got a body like an hourglass, it's ticking like a clock. It's a matter of time before we all run out. When I thought he was mine, she caught him by the mouth. I waited 8 long months, she finally set him free. I told him I couldn't lie, he was the only one for me. 2 weeks and we caught on fire. She's got it out for me, but I wear the biggest smile. Whoa, I never meant to break, but I got him where I want him now. Whoa, it was never to brag, to steal it all away from you now. But God, it feels so good, 'cause I got it where I want it now. And if you could, you know you would, 'cause God, it just feels so. People never change. Once a whore, you're nothing more. I'm sorry, that'll never change. And about forgiveness, we're both supposed to have exchange. Sorry, honey, but I passed it up. Now look this way. Well, there's a million other girls that do it just like you, looking as innocent as possible to get to. They won't want me like it's easy if you do it right. And I refuse. Whoa, I never meant to brag, but I got it where I want it now. Whoa, it was never my intention to brag, to steal it all away from you now. But God, It just feels so good. I watch his wildest dreams come true, and I wanna run and involve in you. Just watch my wildest dreams come true, and I wanna run and
tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes.
Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow.
Every step that I take is another mistake to you.
Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow.
I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so Can't you see that you're smothering me, holding too tightly, afraid to lose control? 'Cause everything that you thought I would be has fallen apart right in front of you.
Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow.
Every step that I take is another mistake to you.
Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow.
And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become
I know it's been a while, but I'm glad you came. And I've been thinking about how you said my name. You got my body spinning like a hurricane, and it feels like you got me going insane. And I can't get enough, so let me get it out. Ooh, looks like we're alone now. You ain't gotta be scared, we're grown now. I'll put hands of frost on ya, let's get it blazing. We can turn the heat up if you wanna, turn the lights down if you wanna. Just wanna move you, but you froze up, that's what I'm saying. Ice, allow me to get you right. What you want to me, baby, I can make you feel. Let me break the ice. Allow me to get you right. What you want to me, baby, I can make you feel. Let me break the ice. Allow me to get you right. What you want to me, baby, I can make you feel. Let me break the ice. Allow me to get you right. What you want to me, baby, I can make you feel. Let me break the get it up. Looks like we're alone now. You ain't gotta be scared, we're grown now. I'ma head to frost on ya, let's get it blazing. We can turn the heat up if you wanna. Turn the lights down if you wanna. Just wanna move you, but you froze up, that's why I'm saying. And I need to get you right. What you want to me, baby, I can make you feel. Ice. And I need to get you right. What you want to me, baby, I can make you feel. I like this part. Hope.
And that is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you recreate any of the looks that I did in this video, please tag me. I would love to see them. And don't forget to subscribe and push the bell notification to notify you whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on any of the social medias, I'll have that link down below in the description box. But yeah, I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!